Greatmats portable outdoor floor tiles are excellent for temporary outdoor flooring of all kinds, including commercial tent flooring or temporary sidewalks. Made of durable plastic, the tiles snap together over virtually any surface, including concrete, dirt, grass, or gravel, to create a fast, draining, anti-slip surface. No tools are necessary for installation, but you may want to keep some plywood on hand if installing over soft or uneven surfaces. These tiles come in sheets of pre-assembled 3x3 tile sections for fast installation. Begin in a corner, keeping both sides with rod connectors facing outward. Keeping the next sheet of tiles facing in the same direction, place the tab edges of the new tiles over the rod connectors of the already laid tiles. Step on each of the tabs until they snap over the rods. Continue adding tile sections, working out from the corner until you've reached your desired size. If you have difficulty getting the tabs to snap into place, slide a sheet of plywood under the desired connection area to create a firmer subsurface. The plywood can be removed once the tiles are connected and reused again in other tough-to-connect areas, or left in place to add stability to the subsurface. When installing over grass, it's best to install over freshly mowed areas to maintain contact with the ground and avoiding having the grass poke through the seams and drainage holes. Once you're finished, the tiles can be easily removed in those same 3x3 tile sections or individual tiles if desired. Enjoy your new Greatmats portable outdoor floor. Greatmats is a national flooring retailer. Contact Greatmats for free samples, free design help, and live customer service today.